Hello student, this is the next topic from the numerical methods, that is numerical integration. Okay, so here let us see first what is numerical integration. A process of evaluating a definite integral from a set of tabulated values of the integrand function f of x is called numerical integration. Okay, suppose it is required to evaluate a function. Okay, here it is a function a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b y dx is the function. Okay, so we divide the interval, that is a and b. Lower limit is a and b is the upper limit. Okay, we divide this limit of the interval like this, a minus b, to n equal parts. Okay, and name it as h. Now using this h and a and b, we prepare a value of x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on up to xn. Okay, so let us see the value of x0 is equal to a lower limit. Okay, x1 value will be x0 plus h, x2 will be x0 plus 2h, x3 will be x0 plus 3 and so on. Xn will be x0 plus nh, which is the upper limit. Okay, now using the values of x0, x1, x2, we find the value of y0, y1, y2, y3 and so on up to yn. Okay, so this way we have to find the evaluate any integral using a numerical methods. Okay, so we have many formulas to find the limit of this type of a function. Let us see one by one. The first formula of this numerical integration is Simpsons 1/3 rule. Okay, the formula says I is equal to h by 3 in the bracket y0 plus yn plus 2 y2 plus y4 plus so on up to yn minus 2 plus 4 y1 plus y3 so on up to yn minus 1. This is a Simpsons 1/3 rule. So when we are using this rule, to apply Simpson 1/3 rule, n must be what? A multiple of 2. Then only we can use this Simpson 1/3 rule. Now let us see the second, Simpson 3/8 rule. That is I is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y3 plus y6 plus so on up to yn minus 3 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn minus 1. So when we can use this rule, to apply the Simpson's 3/8 rule, n must be a multiple of 3. Okay. Now the last rule is Wedel's rule. That is I is equal to 3h by 10 in the bracket y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. To apply Wedel's rule, n must be a multiple of 6. Then only we can apply this rule. Okay. Now let us see one problem. Evaluate limit of the integral 0 to 1 x upon 1 plus x square dx by using Wedel's rule. Okay, taking 6 equal sub-intervals. How many intervals we have to take? N is equal to 6. Okay, now the given function, let us write x upon x1 plus x square. So what is the limit of this interval? Lower limit is a equal to 0, upper limit is equal to 1. Okay, now using the value of this a and b, let us find these values. Okay, that is step length h is equal to b minus a upon n, that is equal to upper limit is how much? That is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 divided by n equal parts, that is 6 equal parts, that is equal to 6. So 1 by 6. Okay, now we have to prepare a table like this. In first row we have to write x and second row f of x. Okay, the first column x0. So x0 what I told to take, that is a, lower limit. Lower limit is here 0. Okay, now x1 how to find? See, I have written here x1 we have to find x0 plus h. x0 is 0. 0 plus h means 1 upon 6. 1 by 6. x2 is equal to x0 plus 2h. x0 is 0. So 2 into 1 by 6 is 2 by 6. Okay, 3 into 1 by 6, 3 by 6. 4 into 1 by 6 is 4 by 6. This way we have to find. Okay, till n is equal to 6. Now, using this x0, x1, x2, x3, we have to find the value of y0, y1, y2. Okay, so one value I'll show how to find. When x1 is 1 by 6, what is f of x? Okay, here f of x is x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now x is what? x1 is 1 by 6 divided by 1 plus 1 by 6 whole square. So it will be 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 whole square means 1 by 36. Cross multiply. So 36 plus 1 will be 37 upon 36. Okay. When you take it to the numerator, it will be 36 by 37. We are getting 0.16216. So this way we have to find the value of y using the value of x1, x2, x3, so on up to x6. Okay, so we have to fill in this second row. Similarly, you have to find the value of y2 until y6. After that, we have to put in the formula, that is 3h upon 10. H means 1 by 6 upon 10. Y0 we got 0. 5y1, 5 into this. Okay, and plus y2 0.3. 6 into y3, value 0.4 plus y4. Okay, plus 5 into this. 5 into y5. Okay, plus y6 is 0.5. So when you simplify, you will get the value 0.346567. So evaluation of this integral is 0.346567.